Welcome to the TaiyangNews and SNEC Solar Leadership Conversation. My name is Michael Schmela and I'm the Managing Director of TaiyangNews. We are very happy to have with us today Zhu GongShan, President of GCL. Welcome. Yeah. GCL is a true pioneer in the solar industry. You have been one of the first in silicon in China. You've been really pushing wafers very early on. And you've then expanded into modules, into projects. You did everything very, very early on. Can you please summarize the development GCL has made over the last decade?
First of all, thank you so much for just raising this question. So GCL has developed a lot in the past decade. So he just wants to send his greetings to all the audience, including experts and friends online. And he's very delighted to attend this interview today. In fact, in the past 20 years, the PV market has developed a lot, especially in the silicon materials. Materials is the driving force for the whole industry. If we don't try to just reduce the cost of the materials, then it would be very difficult for us to develop the whole industry. So since 2006 or 2007, GCL has started to develop, just focus on the development of the materials. So when at that time, the average utilization of the PV for the population was about 200, but now it has successfully just increased to about 800 in 2018. Okay, so since 2018, we started developing the FBR, and all in all, we have developed. GCL has developed very fast from 2018 to 2021, and since 2009, they started to develop FBR. So at first, the weight of FBR was about 60 kilograms, but now they successfully just decreased the rate to about 13 to 15 kilograms. And based on this fast development of the technology, they effectively just developed the cell industry as well. And also CCX product. So last year in 2022, the new extra production capability of their company was more than 500,000 tons. So such a big increase in the production capacity just brought a lot of benefits to the downstream players in the industry, and has given a lot of positive support to other cell players as well. So their company continue to reduce the costs of this product so that they can improve the application of the whole industry and to bring in more transformation and positive impact. So for the next step, they are planning to expand in the overseas market, and they are seeking to build a new plant in other countries.
Okay, interesting. So how would you like to position GCL in the future in terms of technologies? You are vertically integrated from silicon to projects. So how do you see GCL also as from the company strategy?
这个协信未来呢，主要定位在3个方面发力。第一个呢，就是第一个我们技术做好我们的材料，我们以协信科技作为材料这一端技术发力，不断地为客户提供优质、稳定、性价比最好的、最有信赖的作为一个供应商。
Thank you so much for your question. He thinks that in the future, the company will have a couple of very important positions. The first is material development. He thinks that material is the fundamental of technological revolution and development, and also to the manufacturing. So they will continue to provide high quality, stable, cost-effective, and innovative material to their clients as a trustworthy supplier. Secondly, their position is to try to seek more opportunities in different market channels, to work more with the downstream players in the industry to co-develop new energy markets together. Their company has more than 33 years of professional experience in the industry. They also have a lot of top talents and scale production capabilities in the industry. So based on that, they have a lot of comparative advantages which can help them speed up their development in the market and also just make a better layout of the strategies. Third position is to continue their development in digitalization and intelligence. And fourth, they will continue to invest more in science and technological research. In the last year alone, so far, the company has 3 listed companies. All of them are related to smart manufacturing. And for a year alone, they invest more than 5 billion RMB in R&D because they truly believe that technology is the first driving force for new energy. And it's also the biggest resource for a company. So he really hopes that in the future, every company and the whole industry should invest more in development of technology, and they will also try to communicate and work more with other research institutes in both China and the rest of the world.
And I think this leads nicely to the next question, because you've been always the front runner. I think you really pushed multi-wafers, then you advanced FBR technology. Now you're also one of the front runners in going into perovskites. So tell us a little bit about the innovative culture at GCL, and also then actually maybe what you expect of perovskites. So when are we seeing the first products, tandem products coming into the market, and when are we seeing this next generation? At the moment we're moving from PERC to TOPCon, heterojunction, but the next frontier is perovskite, silicon tandem.
发展出来的一个比较大型的一个商业化的产品，同时大概预计什么时候会取得更多的这个市场份额，甚至可以挑战这个 TOPCon 或者 HJT 电池问题可能有点多。
OK， 那个你这个问题提得很好。GCL 我们几十年来，因为我本人呢就是干制造业出身的，我对制造业这么多年，协信和我的团队都懂得，只有不断的创新，不断的研发投入 ，OK， 才有我们的这个 活下来的技术。第二个呢，就是我们几十年来，我们只做一件事，就是走着新能源这条路。第三个呢，您提出来的，我们的在钙钛矿领域当中，我们今年我们在钙钛矿领域当中，目前新兴的1米乘2米的组件，我们只需要80秒。
Okay, thank you, Michael. Your question is very good. So GCL has developed for many years in the industry, and Mr. Zhu has started his career in the manufacturing industry, and he has worked in this industry for many years. So he understood how important it is for a team to be innovative and continue to invest in technology. That is the first thing he wants to mention. And secondly, in the past couple decades, his company has focused on new energy only. And thirdly, this year, they continue to do a lot of technological reforms. For example, they developed like the 1 meter plus the 2 meter module, and which could be just produced in 80 seconds. So the production efficiency has successfully just increased by 20%. But besides that, they also try to invest in perovskite but developed FBR silicon at the same time. Currently, their strategy is one body with 2 wings. The body is innovation and technological investment, and 2 wings, it's the development of like the perovskite and the FBR silicon, and the development of other materials. So next year, they are also planning to just build a new gigawatt level factory to expand their business more. And so they will just further integrate the development of production and production and innovation together. So now for the future trend in 2023, he would think the market still focus more on the silicon product, and with the perovskite just as supplementary. But in 2025, he expects to see the perovskite to gain more market share. And after 2027, we probably will see the perovskite continue to gain more market share, and even just have like the equal market share with the silicon modules. So around 2027 to 28, we will have like about 32 to 35 modules with no cost in the market. So back to your 2 questions, for GCL, innovation and technological investments are very important, which pose no threat to the market at all. So he believes that for the market and other players, they don't have to have any worry at all. We can just develop together. And he also deeply believes that 1 + 1 is bigger than 11. Thanks.
Thank you so much. Wonderful.